विद्याधनं श्रेष्ठधनं तन्मूलमितरं धनं दानेन वर्तते नित्यं न भार्याय न नीयते। विद्याधन श्रेष्ठ धन है, दूसरे धन उसके मूल में रहते हैं। यह धन दान करने से बढ़ता है और इसका भार भी नहीं होता है। Wisdom is the best money. It increase by donation. Whatever we are spending, it is increasing and it has no weight. Therefore, wisdom is the best money. We should acquire the knowledge. Knowledge never wastes. It will come in future in our life. Therefore, education is very important for all the students. They should not waste the time. They must acquire most and more knowledge. अन्नदानम परम दानम विद्यादानम ततः परम अन्नेन क्षणिका तृप्तः यावत् जीव न विद्या। अन्न का दान परम दान है, विद्या का दान उससे भी परम दान है। अन्न के दान से थोड़े समय के लिए तृप्ति होती है और विद्या के दान से जीवन भर तृप्ति मिलती है। Knowledge, the donation of the knowledge will last whole life. Only the grains donation will be remain very short time. Therefore, we should understand the significance of the wisdom and acquire these very nicely. अपूर्व कोपि कोशियपि विद्यते तव भारतीय व्यतो वृद्धिमायति क्षयमायाति संचयाति। हे सरस्वती, आपका ये खजाना बड़ा अनोखा है जो व्यय करने पर बढ़ता है और संचय करने से नष्ट हो जाता है। The more we are spending the wisdom, it is increasing, and but we are storing, but we are not using our education, then it will not good for nothing. It will be waste and we will forget. Therefore, this knowledge, this wisdom is increasing only when we are teaching others. We are teaching others. We are giving the education to others. Then we are increasing our knowledge. We are increasing our wisdom, and we are only storing. We are not using. We are not teaching. Then we will forget the wisdom. मातेव रक्षति पिबेत पिते नियति कांतिव चाविरण्य पनीय खेदम लक्ष्मी तनोत वितनोति त दिच्चुकीर्ति की साधियत कल्प लेव विद्या। चोर विद्या को चोर चुरा नहीं सकता है। राजा छीन नहीं सकता है, भाई बांट नहीं सकता है, और नहीं यह भार का ही वजन है। व्यय करने पर नीति बढ़ती है। ऐसी धन रूपी विद्या सभी धनों में प्रधान है, सभी धनों से श्रेष्ठ है। विजडम इज दैट मनी, एजुकेशन इज दैट मनी which is not stolen by anyone, and brother cannot divide the education. It has no weight. Other money are of weight. This is very important. Money best of all. कामधीन गुणा विद्या हीरा काली फलदायिनी प्रवासी मात्र सदसी विद्या विद्या गुप्त धनम स्मृतम। कामधेनु के समान गुणों वाली विद्या आने वाले समय में फल देने वाली होती है। विद्या प्रवास काल में दूसरे देश में प्रदेश में भी माता के समान रहने वाली है। विद्या गुप्त धन कही जाती है, इसलिए हमको विद्या ग्रहण करनी चाहिए। Wisdom is like, education is like the celestial cow which provides us all these things. All the money are the roots of this education, wisdom. Therefore, we should acquire the best knowledge of the education. This is like the mother in foreign. All the students give the significance, give importance about the education. They should not pretend. They should learn the slok of Sanskrit, and also they understand the sense of the sloks, and also translate this in the 3 languages, and also apply, follow on the sloks of Sanskrit. These are very best to improve the character, to best to improve amendment in the life. It is very important that we have to give the attendance about this. Will be our education will improve. We have to giving the importance about our education, and we have to acquire the knowledge. This is our best wishes for all the students attending this important the knowledge, the education of the citizens of any country is the backbone of in the development of the country.